What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I recorded. We gotta pull this thing apart some more because I went and picked up the new engine right there. There's a few things that are wrong with it. These guys are working on something cool. They got old Franalicious in here. It originally had true underglow on it, right? So to go with new style, they went with some fancy purple RGB or purple underglow. Proper stuff, proper kit. So boys, what are you doing?
Installing purple underglow.
How's it going?
Not so bad.
Not so bad?
Yeah. A lot of gremlins under here. We just don't look at them. You can look at all of them. Do you want me to take you on a site tour?
Yeah, take us on a site tour.
Underglow tube. I'm gonna put two in the center over there, underneath the wood deck, and then one up front, somewhere way yonder. Yeah.
These guys have been hard at work while I was going to pick up the girly, and they had started to work on installing the controller for it, and they had to get the old actual like legit neon tubes out of it, and that's one of them right there. There's another one right there. They're all busted out.
This was the only one that still worked. It was in the front.
Yeah.
What we'll do is we'll take this long wire, run it through the center with the other two, then we'll bunch them together, run them up to the front of the truck, and then the front one obviously is already up there where that box is going to be, so we'll just do it that way. That's how I planned it.
Fair enough.
So I'll get the back ones mounted, or center ones mounted. Need 4. Maybe 6.
Yeah,
depending. Support the center of the tube.
How are we mounting them?
The center is going to be through the wood that's underneath. Back one's just zip tied for now, until I find a better mounting spot for it. And then the front will probably be zip tied because there's a really flat surface up front. And I don't really want to drill into the frame right now. I'll do that all when it comes apart in the winter. Or later this winter.
Yeah, and guys, there's going to be a lot more content with Franny 2 coming up, because we have to do floor pans and cab corners, because even though drive it around still, hello, so yeah, we're gonna get working on this thing, and
Engine too.
got some good
Bearings
engine
and seals and performance goodies for it coming soon enough. Soonish.
All the
yeah.
guys.
Wait, so what's it?
Cam intake and headers, long tube headers. Probably.
Right.
So it'll sound better. Drive a lot better. Have better oil pressure. Because that's what I'm very concerned about all the time. But yeah, that'll be a fun truck. Choppy tow rig.
Yeah.
Choppy tow rig.
The turn downs?
Yeah. No.
For what?
Turn.
What?
Ow.
Smooth.
I'm not the greatest with drills.
It's not your dick.
There's one started. It's gonna drive itself through the outside of the wood probably. Okay, I smell gasoline.
Are those even wide enough?
Barely.
Barley?
Barley. There we go.
Charles Barkley?
So
That'd be sweet if you did like a cool angle thing like that.
What?
So you went like, and then, but whatever.
What, did it on the frame rails?
No, like this. You did an angle.
We could.
Yeah, I'll just fucking slap it on. It'll be bright enough. It's in the middle. Doesn't have to be uniformed. Hey?
I'm over here swearing up a storm. We're gonna get demonetized because our channel's huge.
What, huge like your dick?
It's actually quite small.
Until you look in a mirror and look at it and you're like, wait, what? Wires go out back technically.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
That's what the instructions said if I remember.
Uh-oh. Now I've got it all.
Oh fuck, did we put the wire on the proper way for that one? On the back?
Probably not.
Is it going over that
Yeah,
cross
it is.
member?
No, we have it the wrong way technically.
Okay, that's fine. Everything's fine. See? And then, yeah. And then one at the...
Yeah, they both
I don't know
run
how I'm going to
backwards.
get it up there.
Connor.
Zip tie it. I'll zip tie that one.
They both run backwards.
Zip tie this one.
And that one is backwards, by the way.
This one?
No, the one on the rear.
Oh.
We have to have the cable facing the other way, so we'll just cut the zip ties and redo it.
Why?
They probably run a specific way because there's a mode.
Because
where
there's a pattern.
There's the pattern.
Oh.
So
You can do, honestly, you can just have purple cop lights everywhere. Is this one fine?
yeah, as long as they're running towards the back, the cable,
Okay.
which it is, so you're good.
Okay.
That's all it is. It's just that one I realized we did wrong.
Can you make me another one of those?
Wood screw bracket thingies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the drill, and I'll position myself to where I'm not going to get dripped oil on from this pumpkin.
What are you talking about? That sounds like a best good thing. Right?
Oh, that Jordan guy's coming over after his din. That'd be cool. I can give him a sticker.
What sticker?
There's a sticker on my toolbox for him, for his van.
Was he gonna do that trade?
I don't know. I don't want him to.
His Odyssey's sick.
I know, that's what I kept telling him.
Like all-wheel drive K24 freaking
But honestly,
van wagon.
his next fucking option was to bring in was a Crown. And that's what Buddy's now offering him.
What generation of Crown?
The newest 04
Oh. So it's gonna have a.
V6.
Oh.
I think.
So it'd have a like 3.3 V6 to 1MZ.
Junk.
Yeah. No,
I
you should.
think that's what it is. I don't know. On the engine cover, it looked like a 6, but I don't know.
Like if it's a. Well, it'd have to be if it's a Crown.
Didn't Crowns have...
Crowns either had like V12s or they had straight 6s.
No, it sounds like you're talking about a Century.
Oh, that is a Century.
Like, I thought the Crown had a V8 as well. You can get them with the
Yeah, because the old Crowns, like there's that one guy that has that Crown.
7M.
Yeah, with the 7M GE.
I don't know. One of the bolts was being dumb, so it took me a bit. Sorry.
Screws?
Yeah, whatever. Screw bolts, same shit, different part.
They both have threads?
Now I can't see. Oh, there we go.
You gonna get it straight this time?
No.
Probably not.
Not gonna give a care.
They're just going down the center, so what's the big deal? Okay.
Yeah. Excuse me. I'm gonna hear number 1 on this drill. Sounds like... Oh, that's way better. Sounded like doggy poo-poo yesterday. Stop dropping oily substances into my mouth. Ah, shit.
It's always a sound you like to hear.
Good enough.
Da, 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 da.
It's because he's at an angle,
This one's straight. Ish.
but hangs down so low.
There's greasy stuff in my mustache.
Are we just putting like those two and just zip tying the rest of it for now?
I might have to. I didn't even stagger these.
Oh. Well. God damn it, Connor.
What was supposed to be staggered?
Oh no. Are they supposed to be away from heat, or do the tubes not matter?
Yes.
The tubes don't matter.
I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be away from heat. Let me double.
Well, that's an air gap. That's good enough.
Oh, true.
Your best heat dissipation is an air gap, so. I mean, you could always just kind of go like this and.
Leave at least 8 inches between exhaust and underbody tube.
So like.
Not 8 inches. Oh, that's 8. Oh, yeah. It's
Muffler?
like a foot. Oh, fuck. The muffler gonna get hot. Oh,
So-
it's not grounded right now. Hold on.
I thought we grounded
Gotta
it.
put the ground on. No, I took it back off. Because I have to put the glove box back in eventually.
Yeah. You want to pass me my phone?
So, you got the rest of the LEDs in?
Yeah, front. Two in the center, essentially. Kind of spread out. And then the back one on. Just gotta put this ground in. I think my voltage is fucked. I don't even know.
Hey.
Are we on?
Yeah.
Solid?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Wow. Hold on, unplug the light in the middle.
Heck yeah. Well, they actually really are purple. They don't look purple when you're just like in the light.
Give us a little display,
That looks sweet.
boy.
Oh, I figured that one out.
I mean, the buttons that is just so slamming.
Yeah,
last
you
time.
could do that, Christian.
This thing's not bad at all, people.
That's
That's off.
Still off.
Sometimes it's weird.
Oh,
Oh,
strobing.
more strobe, faster strobe. Whoa. Fast strobe. Strobe. Maybe you hold it. Whoa, hey, like spirally things. Flashy spiral the other way, I think. Slower spiral. More slower spiral. Oh, hold on. That one's
Back to front.
back to front.
Landing strip. Faster back to front.
Go again. More faster back to front. Oh,
Front to back. Or, oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
front to back, yeah. Weird rotatey thing. I think you pressed it too many times. Yeah, now you're back to. God damn it, Christian.
Whoa.
Let's go again. I'll tell you when you're solid. Go again. Go again. One more time. Go again. Yeah, that's solid.
Cool. Looks
Really
dope.
enjoy. That's sweet, man. Nice. You know, as a kid, I never saw it with the back one working and the center one only half on. So I'm actually pretty happy. because I never actually got to see it with full purple.
So now we'll have to just like take all the shit off of the back and then take some glamour shots.
Yeah, I'll take glamour shots. Because it'll bring the halos on too. Because that's how I have the box getting power. That'll be sweet. Nice. Thanks for the help, fuckers. I could put the gauge in by myself.
Do that
Pyrometer.
tomorrow night.
What?
Take some
Gauge?
glamour shots.
Glamour shots tomorrow night? I'm in. Yes, sir. Bob.
Oh, actually, you know what we need to do?
Put the grommet on?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
The secret sauce.
The secret sauce. We still
So
have-
tomorrow, that will be the next project for this thing, along with putting a pyrometer in.
Yeah, I guess we could just...
Because got an extra pyrometer gauge, and we just figured, screw it, we'll put it in there and see what the heck
We'll put
happens.
these ones in tomorrow. But I'm going to go in and get a coffee.
What's going on, guys? It is the next day. I wasn't here. Connor was working on the truck. What did you all end up doing today?
I installed the pyrometer probe into the right bank because it was the most accessible, and put 2 more LED glow 2-foot tubes in the center of the cab, and then put 2 fan bolts in that I was missing, even though there's no mechanical fan anymore. But you got me those, which was nice of you.
So, show you. Put the pyrometer in right here,
Don't mind the mess, it's all temporary.
and then somewhere's under here, right there. He ended up putting in 2-foot sections, and we're gonna go and take some nice photos of the truck here in a bit after we clean up the deck and give old Franny a boost.
Yeah, should be probably pretty dead because the door's open. Battery's not that great. It's an old fucking truck. So
But we'll get back to you guys in a second here, probably when we're out shooting photos.